Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making cookies with Funfetti cake mix. For this easy recipe, you just need 3 ingredients: Funfetti cake mix, vegetable oil, and eggs. So I'm going to start by cracking 2 eggs in a bowl. And by the way, before making this video, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for baking these cookies. So let's crack 2 eggs. And whisk the eggs. And now I'm going to add a box of Funfetti cake mix. This is 15.25 ounces. And also 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. So here's 1/3 of a cup. And now let's mix until combined. So now Funfetti cookie batter is ready, and we're ready to make the cookies. So just drop them on a baking sheet, and I line the baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. And make sure you space the cookies because they will spread. So now Funfetti cookies are ready for baking. So let's put it in the oven, preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And let them bake. Now the cookies have been baking for 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and now they're ready. Look at these Funfetti cookies. They look amazing. I'm so looking forward to trying that, but now first we need to let them cool down completely. Now if you touch them, they seem like they're underbaked. They're very soft, but as you leave them in about 10 minutes when they cool down, they harden and they're going to be perfect, chewy, soft cookies. Now the cookies have cooled down and I'm ready to try them. I'm so excited about trying them. So good. They're so soft and chewy. Look at this cookie. It tastes as good as it looks. And look how easy it was to make. You will love Funfetti cookies. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!